Hi, bonjour à tous. This time I'll introduce the famous French song Les Champs-Elysées. We will sing a short part together. Before we start, do you remember our 5 confusing new vowel sounds? E, U, O, U? If you can distinguish these 5 sounds, learning French can become much easier. This time, you can focus on listening to E and O from Élysée, O from aux Champs-Elysées. And if you are familiar with U sound of du and du from Petit Papa Noël, you can try the U sound of pluie and minuit. Can you tell the difference between U and UI? Even if you're still confused, don't worry. Before the part 2, which means more explanations of this song, I'll make a video about the French alphabet and how to pronounce the 5 sounds. We need lots of A and U sounds for names of French alphabet, and A sound is stronger than E, so if there's only one syllable, like for the names of B, C, D, it's more natural to use the stronger sound. Now please listen to a short part, the refrain of the famous French song Les Champs-Elysées. Today I'll sing from the very beginning. Let's just enjoy the happy song for a while, and after that focus on the refrain part. Maybe we could practice this beginning part as well later. Please let me know if you like this part. After that, please listen and repeat the French lyrics. Je me baladais sur l'avenue, cœur ouvert à l'inconnu. J'avais envie de dire bonjour à n'importe qui, sauf toi, et je te dis n'importe quoi. Il suffisait de te parler pour t'apprivoiser. Aux Champs-Élysées, aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Aux Champs-Élysées, aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Aux Champs-Élysées, aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. And here is the translation of the lyrics in English, but please try not to compare too much. Just try to imagine the scenes. Now you listen to a native French speaker. Florent will read the lyrics fast and then slower. Please try to imitate his pronunciation as many times as possible.
Champs-Élysées, aux Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Aux Champs-Élysées. Aux Champs-Élysées. Au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées.
Well, this is it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments. Aha, again, here's our Korean translation. If you think the French is too difficult, enjoy. 샹젤리제에는 맑을 때나 비가 올 때나 한낮이나 한밤에도 샹젤리제에는 당신이 원하는 모든 것이 있어요. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Hope to see you soon. À bientôt.